Hello. After watching this video, you will find out what the word restore means. To change the state of an item to a working condition again. Return to life, get or give new life or energy. Restore by replacing a part or putting together what is torn or broken. She repaired her TV set. Repair my shoes please. Return to its original condition. Bring back into its original existence or use. Restore law and order, re-establish peace in the region. Give, bring, or hand back. Return to life, get or give new life or energy. The week at the spa restored me. Give or bring back, restore the stolen painting to its rightful owner. Bring back into original existence, use, function, or position. Restore law and order, re-establish peace in the region, restore the emperor to the throne. Return to its original or usable and functioning condition, restore the forest to its original pristine condition. Restore by replacing a part or putting together what is torn or broken. Give or bring back. Bring back into original existence, use, function, or position. Return to its original or usable and functioning condition.